Hi, Henrik Johnson here with dietsandmealplans.com. Now, what I'm going to talk to you about today is the negative calorie diet or diets. It isn't really an ordinary diet, it's more like a tool that can be used when dieting. Now, what this means and what the whole concept is rather simple. Actually, it all plays out on eating foods that hold less calories than your body uses to consume the calories. By that I mean that if you eat a fruit that holds 60 calories, but your body only spends 35 calories using it, then of course you would have a negative calorie count, and in the long run you would have to burn calories that are already in the body. By that I mean fat. But of course you would starve your body in the long term run. You would starve it for vitamins, and that would be unhealthy. So what you can use the negative calorie diet or diet tool for is actually to use it in combination with another diet. For instance, if you're already on another diet and you really are craving for a snack, then of course you could turn to the fruit types that hold negative calories and use that as a snack, and you would not harm the diet you're already on. Now, fruits that can be used as negative calorie fruits are, for instance, apples, oranges, peaches, carrots, onions, spinach, and so on. The list is very long. What I would recommend you to do is to consider using this as a snack tool when you're already on another diet. For more information about the negative calorie diet tool, you can always check our website. It's www.dietsandmealplans.com. You can also visit the link below this video, and I wish you the best of luck and stay tuned. Thank you.